Are you thinking about purchasing real estate sometime in the next few months or year? Feeling a bit overwhelmed of like where to start? Did you know that there is folks that don't know the amount of money that it costs them before they even get to the closing tables as buyers? You're going to have to cut checks for earnest monies and option monies and appraisals and credit inspections and things like that before you even get to the closing table to put down the cash to close. I totally get it. The journey of finding your next home can be full of twists and turns, but guess what? You don't have to navigate it alone. We've been down this road and helped others navigate it so many times before. That's why we set up the Roadmap to Home Ownership webinar. It's your step-by-step guide to make the process simple, clear, and actually, I hope, exciting. So grab some lunch and join us on October 30th from 12 to 1:30 via Zoom. We'll do a deep dive into the whole buying process so you can step forward with confidence. Whether it's getting into new construction or pre-existing homes, or finding the right lender, inspector, or other vendors. We're going to cover so much from the beginning to the end of the process. It's all happening virtually on Zoom, so go ahead to 𝗙𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃.com/Zoom to join. This isn't just going to be another webinar. It's a ticket to unlock the doors of your dream. Spaces are filling, and I'm hoping it's super fast with folks like you. So don't miss out and make sure to save this event on your calendar. And we'll see you soon, October 30th, 12 to 1:30, 𝗙𝗏𝗃𝗃𝗃.com/Zoom. See you soon.